Michael Chen, Chair of Cardiology at Chagar Hospital. Heart disease is the #1 killer for women. And so women have to be aware that of the risk for heart disease. And with that, women often have unusual presentations for heart disease. Men have the typical elephant sitting on the chest. For women, it can be funny feelings. Some unusual nausea, some stomach pain, some unusual numbness, some unusual shortness of breath. For women having a heart attack, it's well studied that women, they take a longer time to come to the hospital. It takes longer for medical professionals to recognize they're having a heart attack. As we talked about, they can have unusual symptoms as well. And it can be that funny nausea, that shortness of breath, not necessarily the elephant sitting on the chest. But certainly if you're overweight, if you don't exercise, that might mean that you're more risk for high blood pressure. Certainly if you smoke, you're also at a higher risk for high blood pressure and for high cholesterol as well. Heart screenings are extremely important because that's where we can check blood pressure. And a lot of people do not know that they have high blood pressure. Hypertension, high blood pressure is known as a silent killer. And with health screenings, you find out what your blood pressure is. We also check cholesterol, and often people don't know what their cholesterol is. So blood pressure and cholesterol are probably two of the most important things you get from health screenings.